Hey guys! Today, we're gonna review this charging hub sent to us by Hansshow. This device fits inside the center console of your Tesla Model YL. Inside the box is the installation manual and of course, the product itself. Thank you Hansshow for making this video possible. Installation is quite easy and it will take only few seconds. Here's a closer look of the product. Just insert the device diagonally in the center console, then press gently to secure it. Here's another angle of the install. Just plug in the charging hub adapter to the 12-volt outlet located inside your center console. That's it, we're done. Now, let's see if it works. If you're interested in this charging hub, just click the product link below. Then use my discount code Cars and Coffee to get 20% discount. The cables are extra long to enable you to charge your phone while using it as navigation. And because the cables are flat, you may close the center console lid without damaging the cables. After charging, simply pull back the cable and it will return automatically to its original position. No more messy cables lying around inside your cabin. This charging hub is perfect, especially for families with multiple gadgets. You will be able to charge 5 devices simultaneously. For us who document our travels, we even carry multiple action cameras. So this kind of device is a welcome addition to our car. Yes, the Tesla has 2 wireless chargers, but not all phones have wireless charging capabilities, so you still need the charging ports. This charging hub provides a neat and organized way to charge your devices and fits perfectly in the minimalist interior of the Tesla. Hansshow has tons of accessories for all your EV needs. So please check out their website at hansshow.com. Don't forget to use my discount code to get 20% discount. Happy shopping!